Are you looking to grow and need more service customers? Is your marketing strategy aligned with growing fixed operations? Most marketing efforts recycle active customers from your DMS, many of whom plan to return anyway. MarketPro3's acquisition marketing solution grows your service business by attracting new and inactive customers. MarketPro3 leverages extensive experience in fixed operations, marketing, and data to target new customers. Imagine your dealership in a typical market. Add your local competitors and their customer base. DMS and market data reveal your customers in your competitors' markets and your competitors' customers in yours. MarketPro3 redefines your market, targeting potential customers who haven't chosen your dealership yet. We call it your true market. Meet Joe, who went to competitor A for his new car purchase, Trisha, who chose competitor B for a certified used vehicle, and Rose, who is currently servicing her vehicle at competitor C. Most factory marketing programs honor those relationships regardless of where the customer resides. MarketPro3's acquisition solution identifies the same make owners who reside in your true market and markets them to your dealership. There's more. We partner with one dealership in each territory, ensuring a distinct advantage over same-make franchises. Carefully sourced data allows us to target vehicles sold and serviced outside franchise dealerships. Fred bought a car from a friend, Gloria visited a Quick Lube, Juan purchased from Car Now, and Sue bought tires from Tire Express. Unlike most programs, MarketPro3 leverages data beyond your DMS to target new customers, regardless of their service choices or how they got their vehicles. Let's not forget the customers who left your dealership after an unpleasant experience. It happens to the best of service departments. Dealerships lose customers. The key is to get them back. While other marketing programs might give up on them, MarketPro3 values every customer and has proven strategies to win them back. Customer landscapes change constantly. That's why MarketPro3 maintains year-round accuracy with daily record scrubs across various data sources. Our acquisition solution complements traditional factory marketing programs to prevent an overlap of resources. Here's the best part. We offer a 4-to-1 ROI guarantee. It works or it's free. MarketPro3, fueling your service drive one customer at a time.